First of all, I am very honored to stand here in front of you to deliver a graduation message. Okay. Sorry if I'm nervous because I have a nervous system, so sorry. First of all, I would like to good afternoon to everyone. Our school president, Sir Javier Ingarde, our guest speaker, Miss Giselle Rafael Caracala, and for our alumni, Miss Ali Macdin Cauzon. Fellow graduates, esteemed faculty, proud families of the graduates, and to our honored guests. We stand here today not at the end of a journey, but at the threshold of countless new beginnings. The tassel we move represent more than just the completion of a chapter, rather symbolizes the culmination of years of education, perseverance, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge that we have learned throughout the years. But today isn't about reminiscing on the past. It's about looking forward towards a future brimming with endless and unique possibilities tailored on each and every one of us graduating. The world awaits us. It is a canvas upon which we will paint our dreams with the vibrant colors of our passions and talents. Speaking of education, education is a continuous process said by my grandfather, which indicates that if you think we have completed or graduated now, we will yet face much more subsequent grade levels and have advances us towards a new challenging beginnings. Well, we are mistaken because it is only a beginning. It is only a brand new chapter of our lives, everyone, that will shape us to become the person that we want to be or what we are destined to be. I would also like to take this time to congratulate my teachers, the advisors of to the teachers po. Teaching us your students might give you headaches, problems, and stress. So what have we acted and reciprocated towards your hard work and endless patience to us. Continuously remind us to behave, follow the rules, do this, do that. And for those times, we would like to give you our sincerest thanks. And sincere thanks to honor and guide us not only to be the person, your students, to discover ourselves. Your teachings and knowledge will forever be with us towards the greatest, toward our future on the world. And for my fellow graduates, yet here we are. To my fellow graduates, let us not be defined by our limitations, but by our aspirations. Kahit na kahit na kapag sa mga groupings, mga groupings, lalo sa research, kahit pang suntunto na lang ating ambag, that is still an is there an inspiration that we can hold on, that we can be bold to pursue our passions and that will be present to our actions. Let's be resilient in the face of our future. Let us be that generation that changes the status quo and strives for a more just and equitable world. But I know that my speech isn't as perfect as you can. How should I say this? I know that it isn't perfect, but nobody is perfect naman po, diba? So, now, as we step out to the world, can I get all of the graduates' attention to give ourselves a round of applause for achieving everything and that has made us to stand and sit here to be proud of ourselves. Let us carry us the lessons we've learned, the friendship we have forged and made, and the unwavering belief in our abilities na kaya-kaya natin ito. At ngayon na kaya na natin with you here na nasa stage. Congratulations to us, everyone. Let us embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and inspire us, generations to come. Congratulations, class of 2025. 2024, 2025. Let us mark our way to the world. Once again, I am Michael Gabriel Mangabad. Thank you for everything. Gabaldon Essential Academy Incorporated, Sir Javier, the opportunity to speak here. Now, thank you everyone.